A tutorial on using the body as a Hermetic memory palace? Sure, that sounds good. Especially because I knew this stuff can be daunting, because you see someone's whole system built up and it seems really ornate, but everybody just started very simply. And actually what got me thinking about this was on the Twitchy Witch Discord, which is a great place to be, and I'll tag her on the comments in this. Someone was talking about the mudras of Buddhism and Hinduism, where certain hand positions mean something very deep and are very rooted in the religion and the different deities. And so there's a long history of mapping stuff onto the body. For me, it just started very simply. I started using my hands, and the first spirit that ever made sense to me was Mother Earth, or Mother Mushroom, because it was mushrooms that first clued me into more of what was going on in the universe. Before I was a rationalist materialist, and the mushrooms helped to break through that. And so I just decided to put mushrooms here on my pinky. And I believe that for any feminine aspect of an element, for instance, you would have a masculine aspect. So over here, I would keep the spirit of iron as well. And then I just knew that the 4 elements were a nice way to organize things, and so I just kept moving up. Here's air, then fire, then water. And so and then I even started associating these with the different senses of smell. And I just got that from a line of Blake about the different elements being associated with different senses. And that's kind of how you do this stuff. You find somebody who says something, you just glob onto it and throw it into your own personal cosmology, because that's what all of the greats are doing, is making it up. And that's what we do too. And so for me, the earth elements are for listening. The air elements are for smelling. The fire elements are for seeing, that fiery sight that just catches everything. Fire is in some ways the most mystical of the elements, and and sight is really important in mysticism as well, especially because light seems to be one of the keys that underlies all of this. Still beyond me, it's what I've heard. And then water coming out through the mouth. And for me, it's because I feel like I have my ocean of emotions here that I've been put here to learn about, and that's going to come out through the mouth. That's something Jesus said as well. And then on my thumbs, I have the doing. These are the spirits that take the energy to all of the others in the universe. And then this hand would be the incoming energy hand, and so I have the moon here, and then the outgoing energy is the sun here. And one more thing that I took from Crowley, but which is a very old tradition, is really getting to know the sun and the moon. When you see them, say hello, especially to the sun every morning. In our family, we say, hi, Papa, Mama, Sun, because the sun is beyond gender. And it's really nice to say hi to the sun and know that the sun is always there watching down on you, and that Grandmother Moon is always there altering what's going on. And she's having to pull on the water in your body and affecting your mood and everybody about you. And so the body is so in sync with all this stuff, so it makes sense to use the body to record it.